the number one reason why you need this Clover Flex credit card terminal for your food truck or your mobile business is because this thing actually has a SIM card inside of it. So similar to how your phone works, there is a little chip inside of this thing where it actually has a cellular connection. So instead of hooking this thing up to Wi-Fi or, you know, some other device like an Ethernet cable, you can take this thing wherever. So wherever you can make a phone call, you can use this thing. 99% of the time when your food truck is in a parking lot or is, you know, on the sidewalk for some event, you don't have an internet connection. This thing is cool too because there's a feature on here where you do not have to pay any of your credit card processing fees. But if your business, say, does $10,000 a month in sales, in order for you to accept credit cards on, say, a terminal like this, one of the old school terminals, you have to pay roughly a 3% fee just to accept credit cards on this thing. And with the Clover Flex, you actually have the option to eliminate all 100% of those fees by passing those fees off to your customer so that they are then paying for those fees so you don't have to come out of pocket for it. And I personally did this in one of my other businesses. So instead of paying that 3% credit card fee, I actually don't have to pay that fee anymore because I'm using a Clover Flex and I'm actually passing those fees off to my customer. So my customer is now paying for those fees and my customers don't have a problem with it. And I've never lost a customer even with this fee because I also give them the option to pay with cash to avoid that fee. So it's not like they're getting screwed. They're just given the option to either pay a higher percentage with a credit card or they can pay with cash to reduce that fee. And at the end of the day, they're happy because they get the lower price if that's something that they choose. And it's convenient for me because I'm not paying that 3% fee. I'm saving $1,200 per month by using this thing. So that's a huge plus for me. If you guys want to see if a Clover Flex is right for you and your business, you can actually go over to cloversales.org and you can actually book a call with the team and they can actually get you set up with one of these. So that's all for this video, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.